Hello beautiful people. The Indian herb ashwagandha may provide many weight loss benefits to support your diet and exercise program. According to Life Extension magazine, scientists theorize that many of ashwagandha's health-boosting properties comes from the antioxidant steroidal alkaloids and lactones, principally the withanolides. Ashwagandha may fight stress and aid weight loss by acting as a natural adaptogen in the body, fighting disease and decreasing levels of stress hormones. So, what are the ashwagandha benefits for weight loss? How can ashwagandha assist you with your weight loss goals, whilst rejuvenating your system and boosting your health in other ways too? Keep watching to find out. Ashwagandha is adaptogenic. Adaptogens fight the physiological effects of stress in the body. Dieting and intense or frequent workouts can place a lot of stress on the body, leading to plateaus in progress or even injury. Training and/or dieting for too long without downshifting for recovery can cause symptoms of overtraining, such as muscle loss, decreased energy, weakened immune function and decreased metabolic rate. According to Extreme Lean authors Jonathan Lawson and Steve Hallman, ashwagandha decreased cortisol. Cortisol not only acts as a stress hormone in the body, it can also make you fat, according to The Cortisol Connection by Sean Talbot. Worse, chronically high levels of cortisol promote diseases like obesity, heart disease and diabetes. Ashwagandha can naturally lower cortisol levels up to 26%, reports the Life Extension magazine. Ashwagandha have an antioxidant effects. The natural antioxidants in ashwagandha may improve overall health and promote better fat burning. Ashwagandha displays natural antimicrobial effects and may improve immune function, to keep you healthy and able to follow your diet and exercise plan. When immune function gets compromised by pathogens, the body enters a survival mode, where fat burning simply does not rank highly on your list of priorities. Moreover, missed trips to the gym and waning motivation do nothing to support your weight loss goals. Ashwagandha increased energy. Adaptogens like ashwagandha seem to naturally boost energy levels by supporting the central nervous system. In fact, the central nervous system may act as a limiting factor in intense training like weightlifting, say Lawson and Hallman. Buffering the physiological stress can improve performance. In the article, Simplifying Weight Loss by Kelly Miller Stacy, Dr. Mark Hyman recommends ashwagandha as a supplemental strategy for boosting energy and weight loss through stress reduction. But before let's go further, check the link in the video description below to see groundbreaking new weight loss product changes the face of dieting. Ashwagandha decreased blood sugar. According to Kiefer, ashwagandha also potentially decreases fasting blood sugar levels, which means that it may also help to improve glucose metabolism. High levels of blood sugar prompt the pancreas to release large amounts of insulin to store the circulating nutrients. Insulin then drives glucose into fat cells for storage. Over time, chronically high levels of insulin can lead to obesity, insulin resistance, metabolic syndrome and type 2 diabetes, according to The Fat Burning Bible by Mackie Shilstone. Hopefully all these tips can enhance the ashwagandha benefits for weight loss for you. Thanks for watching today's video. If you find this video helpful, give me a big thumbs up. Please, don't forget to comment and subscribe for more videos. Bye and see you in the next video.